Hi. Well, I started on this little process about a year and a half ago doing research, and it's a scary decision when you decide to um, make changes to your body. And I figured as I'm getting older, I had large implants in that I wasn't happy with and I was tired of, and just wanted to feel a little bit more and look a little more natural. So had my implants taken out and a breast lift done by Dr. Weinrach. And like I said, you do a lot of research. I looked at a lot of different doctors in the area and met with Dr. Weinrach, he spent over an hour with me talking about the different options, time of healing, everything like that. And I just really never felt rushed. I felt listened to. His staff, with the help of Jolena, it was just really a combined decision between all of us to arrive at the process I wanted to go with, and felt very comfortable and very confident in my decision. And I'm now 1 month post-op, and I'm just really happy with my decision. The recovery has been way easier than I thought it would be. It's just basically, taking good care of yourself and listening to doctor's orders, and you want to get the best results. And so that's what I did, and I'm glad I went with Dr. Weinrach, and I'm just really enjoying the results. And I hope this helps anybody out there that's thinking about working and using Dr. Weinrach for obtaining a more natural, comfortable look in their own skin.